came and tucked your way into my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. So the palette I'm going to be taking is the Soft Glam palette, and the first shade I'm going to be going into is Orange Soda. And I'm just going to use a blending brush and take that right into the crease. So the next shade I'm going to go into is Burnt Orange, and I'm also going to take a smaller blending brush and add that right into the crease. So the next shade I'm going to take is Cypress Umber, and I'm also taking a blending brush, but this one is smaller than the previous ones, and I am going to focus the shadow more on the outer corner. And I'm just gradually building up that color, and I'll keep building it up until I'm satisfied with the darkness of that brown. Here I'm already satisfied with the darkness of that brown. Now I'm just blending all the three colors together to make sure it's really well blended. Guys, I also wanted to say I am so sorry I have not been consistent with my videos, but there's been so much going on with Thanksgiving, my son's birthday, and then he was sick, and now we have Christmas around the corner and then New Year's. So I am going to try to be uploading every Fridays for now, and then when New Year comes I am going to go back to 2 videos a week. Yeah, I'm so sorry guys, I have not been consistent. So now I'm just adding tempera to my lid, and I am going to be adding it all the way to about the middle of the lid. So now I'm just going to take Glistening and Fairy as my inner corner highlight, and now I'm just going to start blending the highlight with that tempera shade. Also defining the lid a little bit more. I don't want it to be so dramatic as a cut crease, so that's why I didn't cut it, but I do want to define it a little bit more.
If you want me, then I
So I'm going back to Cypress Umber and I'm going to start blending these two shades together. I'm going to start working on my bottom lash line, and I'm going to take burnt orange and add that right into the bottom lash line with a small pencil brush. And now I'm just going to take Cypress Umber and add that with a flat top brush, and I'm going to add that really close to that lash line. Now I'm just going back into that pencil brush and just blending both shades together. Now I'm just going to use this for my waterline, and I'm going to use this as my eyeliner, and I'll use this as my mascara. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!